We are starting to install a tricycle cold storage facility, installation and commissioning of refrigerator units. Let's start gluing first. This new type of tricycle needs to be glued for beauty. The purpose of gluing is to seal it. Glue every seam. Try to look good. After gluing, use tools to flatten the glue. Make it stronger. To avoid heat loss. Start the first step. Put the unit on it. This is our refrigerator unit. Remove the unit screws first. Then, remove the cover. Then, we need to lift this unit onto the tricycle. We put it in this direction first. After placing it, we start to apply glue, which serves as a waterproof and sealing function. We need to apply glue here. We need glue. This is a very important waterproof link for us. Apply glue around all 4 sides. We need to apply more glue. Our next step. Fit the unit into this groove. That's it. Now we have placed the unit on it. After placing it, we proceed to step 2, caulking for sealing. Glue all around the edge. Apply a second coat of sealant. This is a necessary step. After we glue, we can put gloves on our fingers. We pull it with our finger. Strengthen his sealing. We are now going to fasten the unit. Fix with self-tapping wire. All 4 points are to be carried out. To strengthen the fixation. Our fixation is a very important link. We also need to glue the iron sheet around to enhance its waterproofing. Apply sealant around all sides of this part too. Apply. We need to glue all around. We also need to apply glue on the top. Apply glue around the perimeter of the top surface. Smooth it out for a clean finish. Smooth it out all around. Next, we use foam agent. Fill the internal gaps. To reinforce, fill, and isolate the air, seal around the fan with expanding foam. We will now drill a hole in the unit. The hole just needs to be large enough for it to pass through. This hole size is enough. We will puncture the panel using a screwdriver to facilitate positioning and drilling in the box. Next, we need to drill holes below. Next, begin threading the wires. We have 3 wires. One is a signal line, and the other 2 are the positive and negative wires of the compressor. Just put them through. Pass through, one by one. We need a hole for the water pipe now. All the holes of the unit need to be opened from here. Now start setting the control panel position. We usually put it in this position. Then, I'll fasten it in this position. Now, we need to make a hole here. There are two signal wires that need to go through. One is for connecting the unit. The other one is a spare network cable. This wire is basically unnecessary. We usually only use this one. But both wires have to go through. We'll make a hole from here. Next, drill holes inside the box. This is the hole for the signal cable of the external monitor. And the thread goes through here. We're going to run both wires through. Just pass the line through like this. This styrofoam needs to be cleaned up after it dries. After cleaning, we will apply waterproof tape. Now start gluing. Seal the gaps around with glue. Then apply evenly. Apply evenly all around. Now we're going to apply this waterproof tape. Apply the material along these 4 seams. Just paste the side above. We also need to stick it on the edge. Now we're going to put this probe tube of this unit through. Insert the data cable into the corrugated pipe and connect it to the data cable. This is a 4-core cable. Then plug it in like this. This wide one is a network cable. No need for this one. Coil up the excess network cable. Put it in this box. Then go through the cable of the external compressor. Then we put on a corrugated pipe and pass it through the hole below. Both wires need to be threaded. Now, let's secure the conduit. Then connect the water pipe. The next step is to install the water pipe. Now put it on. Tighten it with a flathead screwdriver. The water pipe goes through here. Then we start using cable ties here. Bundle it all into one. Just tidy it up to this standard. Next, inject the expanding foam filler into the interior of the cold storage unit. Glue here too. Now we have installed it inside. Let's also glue the bottom. Then clean up the excess glue. Now the internal installation has been completed. After we close the door, lift it up. Lift it, and then take the cable. This is the positive and negative wires of the tricycle cold storage unit. Red represents positive electrode, and the unmarked one represents the negative pole. We pull it out of here. Then we put the hose on. This is our hose. After we cross here, use this cable tie to secure it. Put a few more to be firmer. The thread goes through here. Positive and negative wires go through here. Go through it with the hose. We'll take this clip. This rail card is empty. We cut the positive wire of the compressor. The red wire. The positive wire is connected to this switch. Our bottom line. Connect here. The wiring is now connected. Put the switch on top of here. This is the cable of the charger. This is the input cable of the cold storage compressor unit. Connect these two wires to the positive pole. The two wires are pressed together. Connected to the positive end of the battery. The red positive pole. This is the negative electrode line of our cold storage press. This is the negative cable for charging. Then we need to connect them together. Press on this terminal. This entire output loop. That's exactly right. We have a total of 10 batteries. These 5 batteries are our driving batteries. These 2, plus these 3 batteries. It is the battery of our cold storage unit. It's equivalent to 5 driving batteries, and 5 for the cold storage compressor. Both are 60 volts. After we turn on the power, positive electrodes are connected together. Negative electrodes are connected together. This ensures a circuit. Charging and starting are integrated. The switch acts as a power-off device. This is to control the operation of our unit. We have locks here. Lock it up. This shows 74% battery. The temperature is 36 degrees. You can adjust the temperature. And then we set it up. Click on Parameter Settings, Main Control Parameters, High and Low Pressure. High pressure adjusted to 75. Low pressure to 55. Then return. Then it can be started. Let's take a look. Our cold storage has now dropped to -18 degrees. Tricycle cold storage has been installed. Last step, which is to do a waterproof test. Pour water on the unit's shell. See if our whole box leaks. Start waterproof test. Just pour the water on it. After pouring, see if the water leaks into it. Test the sealing performance. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's check if there are any leaks below. Or there is dripping. If there is no water, it means that there is no water leakage inside. What we do with waterproof is up to standard.